Welcome to this video. My name is Herbert, and today we'll be talking about how to know more about the ad metric. So if this is the first time you're seeing me, today we'll be talking about that. So let's dive straight. So I'll be using my smartphone today because I know a lot more people are running ads with their smartphone. And if you go for tutorials, what you see is that people are actually using complex systems to teach how to do this. Because of that, I've dedicated my time to teach it using the smartphone. Now, if this is you, then all you have to do here is come to your browser and type Meta Ads Manager, right? When you click on the Meta Ads Manager, it will take you to this interface. You click on the first one that you see, right? When you click on it, it will come to this point where it will say go to your ads manager, right? So I'll click on go to ads manager. So I've just logged into my ad account, and this is my ad account interface. So you can see that over the years I've run a couple of ads, right? And it's only few that are active right now. Now that's not the focus. The focus is actually to know the ad metrics that are in this particular space. Because of that, I'll be using my pointer. Now, if you can see, the first one here is the campaigns, right? Here is your ad account. Here is your ad account, and the next one you see beside it or below it is your notification, the one that's just dotted, right? That's your notification. Now, because the interface is not big, if you are running an ad, this is what I would say you should do. Because the interface is not big, try as much as possible to make it more bigger, right? So make it more bigger so that you can be able to actually interact. So the challenge that you'll be facing if you are somebody that wants to use your smartphone to run ads, that's why most of the people you see online, they are using their laptops to take, right? Now the next one you see here is a campaign. So this is the interface. The campaign interface is what you are seeing right now, right? So everything you see here is in the campaigns, right? Now the next one you see beside it is ad reporting. This one, right? Ad reporting. That's ad reporting, meaning that you can be able to pick any necessary detail there to know how the ad is working, and then in case you are an advertiser, you want to actually send report to your client, you can be able to pick details from here and then send report. The next one you see here is audience. Audience can be either lookalike audience, retargeting ads, or any form of audience at all that you are trying to target. So if you create a new audience, this is where it is. Or if you want to create a new audience for your ad, you can come here and come and create it. In case you are selling using website and then you want to run a retargeting ad using the website views or the people that came to your website so that I can get much more conversion, you can come here to create your audiences. Now the next one you see beside it already is billing and payment, which means that this is where you can set up your MasterCard, your Visa card, and how you can be able to use it to make payment for your ads, right? So this is where you come and do such a thing. And in case you have been billed, right, this is where you can come here and generate receipts for the payment that you have been able to actually make. This is just a short overview of the interface, so that's why we are moving that fast. The next one you see here is the campaign or ad settings. The settings deals with the targeting, the values, and audience targeting, any other necessary thing that forms part of the ad is involved in the targeting. Now the next one you see here is the event, the last one that I've just clicked on, the event. This one, right, is the event, which means that in case you are running an ad and then you want to track the results to your website, to your landing page, or you want to track it at any point in time, or you want to integrate anything, this is where you come and do your integrations and set up event. The last one you can see here is all tools, which means that every necessary thing that you're looking for to set up an ad, when you click on all tools, you find it in terms of targeting, creatives, business settings, and other things. When you come to this side, the last one here, all tools here, you'll be able to actually do it. So that's it. So now let us talk more about, let us scroll down, the other things here that we can actually talk about. Now the next one is here. So here, this one rather, right, this one rather is question, in case you have any question. This one here is for add account. The next one is for settings. You want to make any settings. Here is for search and then here is for help. If you need help with anything, you can be able to actually use it, right? So that's the basic ones here that you need to know. You can see that I've run a lot of ads, even some are yet to load, right? So I think I am the perfect person to take you through this. Now, after saying all these things, the next one you have to look at is the account here. Now look at this thing here, the account here. Look at this thing, the account here. The arrow is wrong, but I just want to see the profile picture in the corner there. What is it doing there? What it's doing is that it's going to give you an overview of the account that you're using to run the ad. Me like this, I have multiple accounts, or I deal with multiple accounts for my client. So what happens is that when I'm running an ad, I first try to confirm the account that I'm using with the profile picture there. So the profile picture there is not the profile picture of the page, but it's the profile picture of the account on which access have been given for me to run the ad, right? So that's what you have to note. Now let us come here to the ads manager itself. Everything that you are seeing here is the ads manager itself, right? This is the campaign. This is where we set up our campaigns. So we'll be talking about some of the tools here that you need to actually know more about. Now the first one, all ads. This one, if you click on it, you only see active ads. If you click on this, you only see ads that have delivered results. Now what you see here, the green one, is create ad. If you want to create a new ad, that's what we click on, right? If you want to duplicate, you click on this one. If you want to edit an ad, you click on this. If you want to do A/B testing, you use that. More, it can be in the terms of set rules. You want to edit rules and other things, you can come here and do it. The one here is breakdown, ad breakdown. The one here is ad reporting. I think the one here is copying of ad, and then this one is export. If in case you want to export data, right? So kindly be following the cursor, and then you will be understanding which one I'm explaining. I know that a lot of things are on the screen right now that will be actually confusing you. Now if you can look at this, you can see that that ad is active. Here you see the messaging conversation that has started, meaning that that ad is meant to bring in leads, right? It's a list that is being done, and the messages to be received on WhatsApp. So that's what you have to actually know. If you want to create a view, yes, you can see this one here, right? All you have to do is to click on the create a view, and you can be able to create a view here. Now I think I've not talked about this. This is the ad account that I'm using. I have two portfolios, two ad accounts, which means that I can be able to run ads from different accounts from which I've linked actually from which I've linked different visa cards or same visa cards to, right? So you can also use it to have multiple ad accounts. I'll be talking more about that in my next subsequent videos on how to create ad accounts, so you can go and check it out after this video. But before you go and check it out, make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that when I update the content, you'll be the first to be notified, and turn on the notification bell also. Now after doing that, this is the general interface of the ads manager. Now as a beginner or somebody that's using mobile phone to run ads, you can swift through all these things and be able to make good decisions. Now if this video is too fast for you, all you have to do is to watch it multiple times or slow it down 0.5, so that you can be able to get everything that you are listening to or we are talking about here. I am Herbert, and I talk about meta ads and how we can be able to use it to increase our sales and visibility online. If this is the first time that you are seeing me, don't forget to subscribe, and if you are a continuous user of my content, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next one, and click on the video at the corner here to know how to use the Meta Business Suite to increase your sales and visibility online.